Good morning, all of you. So in our yesterday demo session, I just given an overview about our course. So what is the purpose of our course? HTML, CSS, JavaScript. It's a generally purpose is to design of the web pages. And HTML, CSS, JavaScript, individual explanation. HTML used for designing of the basic structure of the web page. And CSS used for makeup operations of the HTML pages. And JavaScript used to perform some logical operations on HTML and CSS operations. 3 technologies, 3 responsibilities. If we combine all these 3 things, we can design an efficient web page. And a small thing also here, if I learn this course, what in future, what can I do, sir? We can become as a front-end developer, sir, as well as you can become as a UI developer. But on small guideline, with only HTML, CSS, I want to do miracles, sir. Not possible, sir. These are the basement. For this basement, if you need any supporting concepts like as Angular and React, we can do miracles, oracles, baracles, anything we can do. But without these supporting, some limited operations only we can perform. Yes, we can design with these web pages. There is no doubt at all, but limited operations. If you add Angular or if you add React, then we can do anything else. We can perform any type of operations also. So along with our course, better continue either Angular or React. Then it is very useful for you. So which is the better currently in our market, sir? React is the most demanded right now in the market, sir, compared to Angular. This is an overview what we discussed in yesterday's concept. And these are the batch information. The duration of the batch 45 sessions compulsory, and the timings are 9:30 to 11 Monday to Saturday sessions. Notes and examples we'll share by using the Google Classroom link, and demo sessions videos are sharing, no problem, sir. Initial first to 7 sessions videos are sharing, 1 week videos. And by chance, if you miss also, the videos are sharing, no problem. After that, depends upon the situations only. Next, for joining of this course or for learning of this course, any prerequisites? No prerequisites. We don't need any other subjects knowledge. Anybody, they can learn this course. C knowledge, .NET knowledge, Java knowledge, not required anything. It's an open course for everybody. Irrespective of your background qualifications also, you can learn this course. But jobs, sir, in front-end technologies, UI technologies, we have one special advantage. We can work like as a freelancer. You are the Java student, sir, no chance to work as a freelancer. You are the .NET student, sir, no chance to work as a freelancer. You should work in some company compulsory. But UI technologies, front-end technologies, you don't need to go for any company. Design your own websites and sell to customers, that's all. Your own business. You are the owner, you are the developer, you are the everything. Web technologies, especially UI and front-end technologies, one extra advantage, we can work in companies as well as we can do as a freelancer also. Nowadays, we have a lot of freelancers in our world, sir. They're designing the websites, and every website they are charging the 5,000 to 20,000, a normal website front end. A monthly or 4 or 5 websites, if you design it, 1 lakh per month. Freshers super salary 30,000 per month as IT employee. So freelancers are earning more money. Only that's feature available in our course only, not in any of the other courses. If you learn any other courses, you must gain the job and you must work in some company. Directly working is no chance. Your projects, nobody is going to purchasing. But websites, a supermarket person is purchasing, a medical shop person is purchasing, a juice stall person also purchasing. Design website for sell to 5,000 or 3,000 or 6,000 or something like that. We have some special websites to work as a freelancer. I'm ready to work as a freelancer, sir. A website available, freelancers website. If you enroll your name and your email ID is that one, whenever they got the task, they're allotting to you. So design the task, get some amount. Simple thing. That facility available only in these two streams only. Okay. Today's explanations we are going to continuing, sir. So before entering any subject or any language, we have to know some terminologies, some definitions, compulsory required. Examples, sir. You are going to learning C language. Directly C heading, introduction of the C program writing. But what is program? You don't know. What is instruction? You don't know. But writing of the C program, you know. Suppose, is it right manner? No, it's 100% wrong approach. First, you have to know what is programming, why we have to programming, what is the use of languages. Like that, every software is some basics required. After getting this basic, if you enter into subject, you will get some better awareness. So like that, our web technologies related also some definitions, terminologies are available. Those I'm going to explaining the one by one now. Of course, you know somebody, sir, but try to listen my version also. So what are the terminologies, web technologies related, sir? One is internet. So daily morning wake up to night going to bed. Between wake up to bed, what we are using? Internet. That much of times books we are opening and not no idea, but internet either we are working, guarantee. Correct? So what is that internet? What is the advantage of this internet? That we have to discuss first of all. Second one, continuation of that one, W3C, World Wide Web Consortium, not W3 schools, sir. I expected same thing. I'm not talking about W3 schools. I'm saying about W3C organization. It's an organization. What is that organization? What is the responsibilities we have to discuss? W3 schools, it's just a website, sir. And not company, it's just a website. But this is international organization. BOP of all websites. Next one, www. www. This word very famous, right? You know this word very well. Word you know, but what is meaning and what it is doing, I think we don't know. That is my explanation, sir. www means, sir, maximum students, they're answering World Wide Web, sir. World Wide Web, sir. World Wide Web full form, not meaning. Understand the question. Meaning is different, full form is different. TCS meaning Tata Consultancy Service. No, TCS full form Tata Consultancy Service. Meaning, different meaning is comes. Like the www World Wide Web that you know, internal things I am going to explaining. Like that, server, client, end user. Why the server, client, all these things we have to learn it, sir. Our websites available in server only. That websites we are accessing from the client machines only. So what is server? Server inside, what are the operations are performing? What is client? Client inside, what are the operations are performing? These are all the things we are going to learn. At the same time, end user. And one of the very, very key explanations are browser. So anybody, can you open the websites without using browser? No chance. Or why the browser that importance role playing in websites? It is some interconnection is available. A interconnection or HTML concept only. So what is browser? What happening inside the browser? What are the responsibilities of the browser? All these explanations also comes here. At the same time, URL. For every website, one URL required. http://www.abc.com. Generally, you are calling as a website, but actually programmatically it is a URL. Browser address bar available. If you open the browser, top of that one white color box is there. In that white color box, what you are going to typing, those all are the URLs. So what is URL? What are the internal things of the URL? That explanations required. So these are the some of the basic we must know, because what are the programs you are developing in HTML, CSS, JavaScript? The programs, they need all these things. Every HTML program, they need all these things. Every HTML program, one URL is available. With that URL only, we are running. Every HTML program executes inside the browser only. Reasons, we want to know that one. And HTML programs, generally we saved in the server running from the clients that you are calling as website. But if I want to perform all these things, first I need the environment of internet. Internet connections available, bottom all the things are working. Internet connection not available, bottom things are working, not possible. So these are the primary words, sir, what I'm going to explaining. Okay, first I start with what is internet. First of all, what is the full form of internet? Any idea? Full form of internet. So many people doubt, oh, is it full form? Right? Yes, sir, it's a abbreviation only, not straight word. Internet full form available, but maximum we are feeling it's a normal word. No, full form is there. We have the two types of full forms, sir. One is interconnected networking system. Interconnected networking system. This interconnected networking system simplified as a internet. How it is possible, sir? Internet. That is the thing. The original full forms are not my personal. Really full form. www World Wide Web, how it is available. For internet also we have that full form. But we are never seen anywhere this size, sir. And we are not observed in that manner. Simple thing. We are not concentrated in that manner. So interconnected networking system simplified as internet. This is one full form. Another full form also available, sir. International networking system. Somebody is calling like this also. International networking system. Anything okay? Preferable aithe first one, sir. Here also networking, this one. So what is this definition of meaning of full form? It's just a full form, not definition or not meaning. Internet full form or elaborated meaning is this one. Now I want to know the definition of this internet, sir. The definition comes like this, sir. Network of networks. Internet definition or meaning is network of networks. The full form, sir. I'm saying now the meaning come definition. Network of networks is called as the internet. Sir, a word observe once, network of network. Two times network word I used, between that one half word I attached. You are saying this is meaning, sir. Yes, sir. Sometimes meanings like that only. What is the clarity or clear definition of this one? If you want to know this meaning, first you should know what is network. If you want to understand the meaning of this sentence, first you should know what is the meaning of network. Network means internet only, sir. No, 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 sir. Internet different, network different, web different. But so many people, the psychologically, they are thinking all are same, just different soundings are. No, no, no. Internet meaning different, network meaning different, web meaning is different. Three different concepts, three different terminologies. First, I'll give the clarity about the network. What is network, sir? Connection of some systems. 5 to 10 computers available. All these 5 to 10 computers, I'm going to connecting together. A connection environment is called as the network. Where it is happens, sir? In our colleges. Your college lab available. Maybe 30, 40 systems are available. All the 30, 40 systems are connected together. All 40 systems connected. Not only that one, administration office computers, library systems, all. Inside your college premises, how many computers are available? That all are interconnected. That interconnected environment is called as networking. That interconnected environment is called as networking. How to establish this networking, sir? By cable system. Because like that cables are coming, sir. We are connecting the cables from one computer to another computer. That type of environment is called as LAN. LAN, LAN. Local area network. It is a local area network. Why it is local area network, sir? Because it works within your college only. Your college overall administrative block, IT section, CSS section, EC section, computers lab, principal room, HOD's rooms, total of 70 computers available, sir. All these 70 computers connected. But one computer data we can access from rest of 69 computers. 100% possible, no doubt at all. Your HOD system we can access from the lab. Lab systems can access from the HOD. Possible because networking is there already. But once if we come out of the college, sir, we can't access any of the 70 systems. Once if you come out of your college premises, a college compound wall, you are unable to access that 70 systems. But what is meaning? It works throughout the city, or it works within your college campus. College campus only. That is called as local area network. Within the certain building or within certain environment or within certain compound or within certain office, within certain premises only it works. But all over the world accessing is not possible. All over the world, if I want to access it, sir, internet required. All over the world, if you want to access your data, we need the internet. In the certain areas, if you want to access your data, you need the network. So network to internet to variation. Local connections, global connections. Allows to work within certain area only and allows to work anywhere in the world. And diagram is comes like this, sir. Every box we can take as a one computer. Laptop or desktop, sir? मुझे नहीं मालूम. So this is another computer. This is another computer. And all these computers are connected with one main computer. Generally, that main computer will pronounced as a server. In generally, this main computers we pronounced as a server. We have 4 computers, sir. 3 black color systems, 1 red color system. Why you changed the color, sir? Clients, servers, different. Black color systems all are the clients. Red color system is the server. It is simple terminology. Black color systems all are the subordinates. Red color system is the superior. That is supervising all these systems, or that is monitoring all the bottom systems. And we are going to connecting like this, sir. So these are our connections through cable. No satellites required, no dish required, no wireless required. Directly through cable we are connecting. This type of environment is called as LAN. LAN, LAN, local area network. So this is your college network. Like that, other colleges networks available, offices networks available, companies networks available, hospitals networks available, institutes networks available, banking sector network available, railways networks available. So every company they are maintaining network, and these all the networks we want to integrate together for data exchanging policy. Possible, sir? See, I'm taking one more network, another network, one more network, and one more network. So what is all this, sir? Networks within certain areas. But in network, what is the advantage, sir? If I have any data here, the data we can access from this machine, and also this machine. In red color computer, if you store any data, the data accessible by any of the black color systems. There is no doubt at all. But these data accessing from here is possible, sir? No, this is no chance. Because that is different college, this is different college. Or that is college, this is banking sector. Between these two, data sharing is not available. But I want. It's not available, but I want. Then what to do, sir? Integrate all these networks to with another computer. Integrate all these networks to with another computer. That is this one, sir. The main system, sir. So shape ko differently drawing, nothing else. Special effects, visual effects. What is the blue color box, sir? Computer only. Then how the connections are going on, sir? So take the blue color line and connect this mission to this red missions. Connect this mission to this one and this one. Not to black color systems, sir. I'm connecting to red color systems, not to black color systems. Clearly observe the arrow keys where it is going on. This total environment is called as the internet. This total picture is called as the internet. In that a first box available, that is called as the network. If blue color lines, I'm going to some erasing like this, sir. Cutting. Why it's this cutting, sir? Some symbolic meaning. This is not cables. Blue color lines are not cables. But how we are connecting these missions, sir? By using remote communication. Cutting's intention only, sir. That is, we connected the systems by using remote communication. It's called as wireless communication. What is this type of environment, sir? This is called as WAN. Wireless, wide area networks are actually, the meaning is wireless networking system. So blue color box to red color boxes, so networking happens with wireless communication. And red color box to black color box to network happens with through cables. This is a LAN, local area, and this is the wide area. Wide means, sir, unlimited areas. We can access anywhere that one. So this total environment is called as the internet. Network, sir. Network and only this circle, sir. Only this circle is network. Now see that one. How many networks we have? Officially, unofficially. Total how many networks? Officially, unofficially, implicitly, explicitly. Total how many networks? See the picture, then identify it here. Total how many networks available? Count, I'm asking. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 10? Unlimited? In this diagram only. Voice not reaching and go. They try to show the finger. Disturbance available. So try to show the fingers. 6, 2, only 1. Okay. 2. మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన తీసుకోండి సార్ అంటారా? 2. Sure, huh? This side boys. 5. Madams. 5. 1, 2. Panch. Total we have 6. So if you wake up, then we'll understand that one properly. You are in the sleep mode, not understanding properly. So they put the concentration, somebody in the sleep mode. I total 6, sir. If red boxes, black boxes, 5 available already. These circles, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here already 5 available. And these all are connected to one more. So that is the 6th one. That is only giving the clue. Internally, externally, officially, unofficially. Total how many? 6 available. 1 plus 5. But this is the meaning of network of networks. The number of networks we are gathering and establishing to another network. That is the meaning of network of networks. What I am teaching? Selenium, sir. Testing tools. Testing tools है क्या जी? वो DevOps Okay. Now I'll mention the titles also here. Try to observe. For your convenience, I'm writing the names here, sir. The black box is a client C1. Shortcuts I'm writing. This is C1, client 1, client 2, and client 3. And red box, sir, server. Red box is server. The same names comes in all the boxes. Server. Red is the server for which color boxes? Black color boxes. Blue is the server for red color boxes. Balance names you can imagine. Now coming to this blue color box, sir. This is also server, sir. Blue color box is also server. And this is the server for red color boxes. Now the red color boxes becomes clients or not? Yes, sir. 100% red color boxes or becomes as a clients also. How, sir? Blue color box point of view, red systems to clients. Black color box of view, red systems to servers. At a red color box playing the two duties, one client role and one is the server role. How it is possible one system playing as a two roles, sir? Best example, me only, sir. I'm father as well as I'm child also. For my kid's point of view, I'm the parent. My parents' point of view, I'm the kid. But I'm kid, parent, both. It depends upon your viewing angle. When you stand my parent side, sir, so my duty is child role. When you stand at my kids' side, sir, my duty is parent role. So I'm the middle generation. After my one generation available, above my also one generation available. So this upper generation point of view, I'm the child. My bottom generation point of view, I'm the parent. So red box, me only. Black boxes, my kids. Blue box, my parent. But I have 2 kids, sir, but their box is 3 available. So this is the networking environment as well as the internet environment, sir. But what is the use of this blue color environment, sir? If we store any data here, the data we can access all over the world. The data, if you store anything in the blue box, the data we can access all over the world. If you store any, sorry, if you store any data in the red color box, the data we can access only in the black color boxes and within certain building or within certain campus or within certain environment only it will works. Red to black connection is called as the LAN. Blue to red connection is called as the WAN. This is through cable systems, or this is through remote communication, maybe satellite communications or TV towers or dishes, something we are using for communicating purpose. Cables either not using. Some countries still they are using cables. For the economically backward countries, they are depending on the cables. Because sir, cables expensive very less. Satellite expensive very high. India richest country gather. We are using satellites only. Some small countries, Kazakhstan, Zimbabwe, Uruguay, Uganda, something, they are depending on the cable systems also. Next, coming to this one, when this network system is introduced very first, sir, when this network system is introduced very first in our computers, sir, in 1972, first time they introduced this one, sir. A networking concept is introduced in 1972 very first. Who developed this networking environment, sir? Not any person, sir. US Defense Department engineers, they developed this one. A team developed, not by individual person. Some softwares individual person designed, sir. Some softwares a team of people are designed. US Defense Department electronics engineers, they developed this networking concept and released it in the 1972. And what is the name of that networking system, sir? ARPANET. The name of the networking system is ARPANET. First name of our network, sir. ARPANET slowly convert into network. Network slowly convert into internet. Internet slowly convert into web operations. And now web slowly converts into cloud operation. Right now, cloud is the running web medium level, cloud is the high level operations. If growth factors are and enhancements of the previous things. ARPANET, networking, internet, web, and cloud operations. So ARPANET, the first network name. How many computers we can connect initial days, sir? Maximum 4 computers only, sir. That's why my diagram also taking 4 computers. The reason is that one. When they introduced in 72, how many systems we can connect? Maximum, sir, 4. 4 after all, sir. Now 4 after all, sir, but 72 is 4 and super, sir. Nowadays, 1,000 and any meaning, 1,000 rupees, any value? Nowadays, 1,000, sir. But 1970s, 1,000 and you are Shaukar. You have the 1,000 rupees in 1970s, you are Shaukar, you are Jamindar. No idea, na? Olden days movies, try to watch it. Half rupee available. 1 rupee na. Abo. 1,000 rupees if you have. You are the richest person like as Ambani. But nowadays 1,000 rupees and 2 biryanis are comes. That's all. 1970s 1,000 rupees and 1 year, 1 family running. Fact is unbelievable, sir, but it's a fact only. So nowadays millions of computers, that is equivalent to 1970s, 4 computers, sir. 4 computers are slowly converted into 40, 40 converted into 400, 4,000, 4 millions, and now unlimited computers. How many systems nowadays we have in our networks, sir? Unlimited computers. Millions of millions we have. The growth factor and developmentation ratio. Theory part, sir. The theory part to practical picture is this one. So purpose understanding the data sharing. This internet to networking, all the things are used for purely data sharing operations from anywhere to anywhere in the world. How the data is sharing, sir? By using one special protocol, it's called as FTP, not HTTP, sir, FTP. So purpose of network is data sharing. So how it is sharing the data, sir? It shares the data by using FTP protocol, file transfer protocol, file transfer protocol. FTP full form is the file transfer protocol, sir. It helps to exchange the data between the one computer to another computer. No, sir, we are using HTTP daily, sir. HTTP used by the web. HTTP used by the web. FTP used by the networking. I just said a few minutes back, web different, networking different. We discussed up to now networking. So networking environment, exchanging of the data between the one system to another system by using FTP protocol. It's a very, very popular protocol in olden days, sir. Still we are using FTP. Not only olden days, still we are using. No, sir, nowadays we are using all HTTP only, sir. No, sir. We are imagining like that only. Now, if you develop any Java program, .NET program, PHP program in networking environment, data exchanged by the Java by using FTP protocol only. Where Java students knows this point or not, I don't know that one, sir. When you develop the client server program in Java technologies, when you develop the client server program in .NET, the same client server program in Python, data passing from the client to server, server to client in the form of files, file transfer protocol only, not HTTP protocol. Really, yes, sir, we are not believing, sir. Ask your Java faculty, no problem. Is the fact. Okay, we don't need to go for Java, sir. You all are mobile users, right? Latest mobiles, iPhone 14, Samsung Galaxy 30, latest mobiles. So that person, red t-shirt person using Samsung Galaxy 30. I'm using Vivo 100X series, suppose. I want to share one image from my mobile to a red color t-shirt person. We don't have any data packs. 5G connections, Geo connections are not available. How can send the data? Internet connection not available. My data packs not recharged. But I want to send the data image from my mobile to this person mobile. What is the procedure? Basic option, Bluetooth. If you are interested some extra features, share it to nearby, something available. But share it to share by nearby, all these are working based on Bluetooth only. Don't forget that one. These are the additional feature providing to the Bluetooth functionality. A Bluetooth not available, sir. These all are not working. It is fact. But now I switch on my Bluetooth and that person also switched on the Bluetooth. Both devices, kuch hota hai. Ade pairing. Whenever the pair completed, sir, I'm sending the image, the person receiving the image. In which format? File format. No point. If you send any contact, image, message, song, video via Bluetooth, it comes in the form of a file and you have to download that file also, right? And we are sharing something in WhatsApp, sir. Attachments that also comes in the form of again files, sir. And in 2022 also we are using the files concept. So FTP protocol is working still. It is matter. So Bluetooth is completely works based on the FTP only, not HTTP. A website to another website, I want to share the data, sir. A web page to another web page, I want to share the data, sir. HTTP required. HTTP required in that scenario. But in networking environment, one device to another device, obviously it's workful. FTP protocol only. So olden days are now, whatever it may be. So olden days or current days or whatever it may be, we are using FTP continuously, that one. Uh, Full form, meaning, diagram, and the purpose, how it is working. These are the information related to internet, sir. And now I'm going to showing the W3C. Sir, once I'm scrolling the screen, some of online students who watched us, sir, who have the doubt, is Selenium, Android, Hadoop? You got it, a screen scroll? Okay, sir. Now W3C, World Wide Web Consortium. W3C full form is World Wide Web Consortium. It's actually WWWC, sir. 3 W's, 1 C, shortcut to W3C. So what is this, sir? A company, sir? No. It is a simple, an organization, a community. Community, or we can say as an organization only. It's not company or it's not something else. Just an organization. But you know, real life also a lot of organizations available. Social services organization available, funding organizations are available. It's not company. They're helping to others with the self own interest. So like the W3C is also an organization. What is the special of this organization, sir? I'll explain that one. Before that, a small question, sir. Internet to web, both are available. Who is the owner of internet? Which company owns the internet? Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Oracle, Sun Microsystems. Who owns the internet? But Java software available, owner available, some company. .NET available, Microsoft. Android, Google. iOS, Apple. Like that, internet to web, who is the owner? Google company, Microsoft company, or Facebook company, or Sun Microsystems, or Oracle Corporation. Who is the owner of internet and who is the owner of web? Any guess? It is general knowledge question, not subject related question. Google. Because Google is famous in our world. Sun Microsystems. Anybody Facebook? Facebook? Textbook? Notebook? No, na. We don't have any owners for internet. It's an open system. It's an open environment. No owners. It's running independently and individually without any company's support. But this independent, who is going to monitoring, sir? A W3C is monitoring that one. So there is no owners for the web, sir. There is no owners for the internet. No, sir. We saw somewhere, we heard somewhere Google is the owner something, sir. Sir, Google company 30 years back is there? 30 years back is there in a Google company? But 30 years back internet available. How Google is owner? 20 years back Facebook is there? No. So Facebook is owner? No chance. So internet web operations more than 30 years onwards we are using. But these all the companies last 10 to 15, 20 years only they born. So all these companies are utilizing the internet features and all these companies are utilizing the web features. But these are all not owners of the web and internet. There is no owners for internet. There is no owners for the web. No owners for internet, no owners for the web. It's an open platform monitored by some group of peoples. A team name is called as the W3C. That is, the team name is called as the W3C. I'll open one website, sir. See that w3c.org. w3c.org. It is the official website of the W3C. In our world, internet related, web related, cloud related, what are the new inventions are going on? What are the R&D operations are happening, research and developmentation operations, that all genuine information available in this website. The name is W3C. IoT's information also available here, sir. What is our upcoming developmentations? What is our upcoming inventions? What they're currently developing? Every information is available. The internet related, especially web related. You want to introduce any firewall, sir. Suppose you should take the permission from W3C. I want to introduce one web technology into market, sir. You have to take the permission from the W3C. I want to do something in the web or internet, sir. You should take the permission from the W3C. Everything that is, it's a supreme power in our world to monitor the internet and web. See the small information about the W3C. World Wide Web Consortium. It is an international community where members are organizing. Members means we only, sir, some group of peoples. And what is the responsibility, sir? To develop web standards. The W3C goals and responsibilities to develop the web standards. And who maintained this team and who invented this team, sir? Tim Berners-Lee. This is the person, sir, Tim Berners-Lee. What is the special of this person, sir? He is the founder of W3C organization. That organization who started, sir, into this person. And now who is the director of W3C, sir? The same person only. Founder and also director, Tim Berners-Lee. We have one special for this person, sir. Who is the father of computers? Charles Babbage. Father of computers is Charles Babbage, or digital computers. Who is the father of web, sir? He is the person. Father of computers is Charles Babbage, sir. Father of web, Tim Berners-Lee. Reason, the web is invented by the Tim Berners-Lee. W3C is invented by the Tim Berners-Lee. HTTP protocol we are using daily now. The protocol is designed by the same person only. Next, what is our subject? HTML. HTML language developed by the same person only. And WWW, World Wide Web, architecture is designed by the same person. WWW architecture developed by the same person. Web is invented by the same person. W3C started by the same person. HTTP protocol is designed by the same person. HTML hypertext markup language also developed by the same person. But these number of things he did together. We just given a small award, father of web. Still he is alive, sir. Now the director of the W3C also. As one of your interview questions, sir, better try to remember. One question, the inventor of the web. Second question, what is W3C? Both your FAQs. A lot of times they asked in our interviews also, especially in the web developers and front-end developers and UI developers. I'm just copying that one to here. So if you want to get the clarity about W3C, I'll give the small live example in our real life, sir. Anybody, you have the account in SBI? Available somebody. SDFC? Indian Bank? So some people's SBI, some people's SDFC, some people's ICICI Bank, some people's Indian, Punjabu, Mysuru, something. Anybody, you have the account in RBI? RBI Bank? No, na. I have here. Reserve Bank of India. In that bank, you have any account? No. Why, sir? మరి SBI account available, HDFC account available, ICICI Bank available, Bank of India available, Bank of Patiala available, Bank of something available. RBI Bank, why you don't have any account? Because RBI is not a bank. It is an organization. It's a team, an independent team run in our India. It's independent operations, but some politicians are going to maintaining that one. But actually it's independent. Governor available, deputy governor available, members available, they are going to monitoring and running of this team. But we don't have any bank with the name of RBI. But RBI owner who, sir? No owners for the RBI. HDFC Bank owner available. Andhra Bank owner also available. State Bank of India also founder available, owner is also available. But RBI is not owners. Some group of highly profile peoples, IAS, IPS, IES, something civils, finance, chartered accountants, they formed as a one group, they're monitoring the team. What is the responsibilities of RBI in our India? Monitoring of banking systems, controlling of banking systems, providing the guidelines to banking system, setting the rules and regulations to banking system, inventing the new techniques and new concepts in banking system. And simply, it is a supreme power of all our Indian financial sector. Nana. Huh? RBI is the supreme power of the Indian financial sector. Like that, W3C is also one team. The team is the supreme power for all over the networking system in the world. Another example, if you need, sir, ICC also available. Same. International Cricket Council. Who is the owner? Saurabh Ganguly. No, na. Oh, Hardik Pandya, na. No owners. Some countries peoples are formed as a one group, just they are going to monitor it. And in cricket, if anything is happens, that should come from the ICC only. Without ICC permission, you can't do anything in our cricket. Tournaments conducting or something. Like that, this is also one community, one organization. So the W3C information, sir. Try to remember if first sentence especially, that is your FAQ. And this person name also don't forget, father of the web, Tim Berners-Lee. And the next one is WWW, World Wide Web. The full form of this WWW is World Wide Web. So what is this World Wide Web, sir? Actually, it's a one logical representation, sir. It is not company, it is not organization, or it is not community. But what is this WWW, sir? I'll explain that one. Here, a lot of students, you have your own systems. Somebody desktops available, somebody laptops available, right? Once raise the hand, how many you have your own systems, either desktop or laptop? Mostly. Girls, no, na? Oh, Italy para. Okay. A small question related to your computer. Small question. What is the name of laptop or desktop? Laptop. What is the name of your laptop? HP. HP, the manufacturer brand name. But I'm asking name of laptop. Huh? HP, Samsung, Dell, Toshiba, Asus, Acer, Lenovo, all these are the manufacturer's names, sir. That is not my answer. That is not my question also. I'm asking what is the name of your computer? What is the manufacturer name of computer? I'm not asking. Name of your computer. You have your own system? Name? Think? Huh? Number. What is the number? Name of your computer? No idea. Amar. Just Amar. Amar Rahe no. Amar only. Maybe that person answer correct. Amar. Every laptop, every computer, one name available, sir. Compulsory. No, sir. My computers, we don't have any name, sir. Impossible. Without setting the name for your computer, switch on the computer, not possible. First of all, are you switching on? Yes, sir. Then name is available. Name not available. If you press the power button, also screen not comes. So, can you recollect your computer's names? What is Prem? Sure? Pakka? Guarantee? Lock karenge. I will give the clue, sir. If anybody you install the Windows operating system in our computer, whenever the installation started, or 10 minutes after, it's asking some settings, country, language, date and time, or regional, zone, or something. At the same time, it is asking the computer name also. What you are given at that time? That is your name of the computer. What is name? Thinking, Now you remember, What is Amar? Amar. So if you want to see the name of that computer, by chance, if you forget it, go to my computer icon, sir. Right click, properties. My computer icon, right click and go to the properties. A small window is opens. In that window, your operating system or RAM capacity, microprocessor, all information displaying. In the same thing, your name available. Generally, the institute system, sir. So either Naresh IT or NIT available. What is the name of my computer? Naresh IT. Here we have the processor name, RAM capacity, operating system, language, and this is the name of the computer. It is mandatory for every computer. This name is mandatory. My personal system computer, HP-Shiva-Lappy. My personal computer name, HP-Shiva-Lappy. The institute system, sir, so Naresh IT. Got it now? Laptops, desktops, name is must. Why I asked this question, sir? This is also name only. World Wide Web is also a name. Whose name, sir? The main service provider's computer name. Which computer providing the internet services to all over the world? That system logical name is this one. www. IP address different, sir. Name different, sir. IP address is the physical identification. Names are the logical identification. Every computer, they have IP address also, sir. You know already networking concept, that one. IP address is the physical ID. Names are the logical IDs. So WW is a logical representation of computer. Who is that computer, sir? Which provides internet services all over the world. That computer name. Which mission providing the internet services all over the world? That mission logical representation is www. They have IP address also, sir. But IP addresses they are not sharing, www sharing. Reasons are for the public point of view. Public in the sense common man. They remembers the www easy or IP address easy? www easy. I interested to share the IP addresses, but as a common man, they are getting the problems. So number of IP addresses remembering and using is not possible to a common person. Maybe for us, we don't have any problems, sir, because we are the technical students. But non-technical persons, compulsory complication is comes. Then only that IP address is masked. IP address is masked with a logical representation that is called as the www. Where is this, sir? Now, blue color box is there. Name of that blue color box is www. Name of this blue color box is www. You said that server, sir. Server client to computers. Every computer name compulsory. The server computer name is this one. But as per this diagram, that providing the services to all these networks or not? Blue color box providing the services to all these networks. That only I said in theoretically. Which computer provides the internet services all over the world? That computer is pronounced with www. This is the thing. Very simple thing, sir. Understanding a diagram, if you know, I think that we can understand, that's not a problem. This computer IP address available, sir, 100% available, but we don't know. We don't know. Names only we knows that one. Without typing www, without typing HTTP, we can access the website, sir. Those all are our psychological and mythological and pathological feelings, sir. I heard not now. I heard from the so many peoples and public also. A www we don't need to type now. Then also we can connect it, sir. That's impossible. HTTP we don't need to type. We can connect to server, sir. 101% not possible. And then nowadays what happening at automation? Every work in real life automation. Automation in the sense simplifying of the your work. Olden days HTTP colon / www users they must type. If they're not typed, sir, your website is not going to open. 100%, sir. Whenever I started the internet usage in my life, some years back, www, HTTP, both typing manually compulsory. If I'm not typed the HTTP www, sir, website never going to opens. But nowadays, it opens. What is, sir? Olden days a long process. Nowadays is simplifying of the process. You are not typing www HTTP, but browser typing. Don't forget that. Typing a browser, not typing a. Not typing a. We'll check it. Not typing until you are in the dreams, not in the reality. So I'm going to open the Facebook, sir. I'm not typed anything. Just I typed the facebook.com. Press enter, sir. What happened, sir? www is there? HTTP is there? Then can you feel without a www we can open websites? Without HTTP we can open websites. Possible? No. Nowadays, advanced versions, advanced features, they're not creating the complication to users. We can type one letter, balance, I'll type it. Simplifying to the users, nothing else. Olden days, these all the things compulsory manual approach. So technologies are improving them. Okay, maybe in your childhood days you used internet. Remember, school days. So now college also completed. School days. When I type the F here, Facebook is comes. No chance together. You are the example. Check your school days, sir, while studying of the 8th, 9th, 10th standards and almost 6 years, 7 years back. If you type the F here, sir, Facebook not comes, but now is coming or not? Until last 6 years only we have difference or not? Internet started so many years back. That day to this day difference is compulsory. So 7, 8 years back, if you type F only showing, Facebook not showing. If you type the G, sir, G only showing, Google is not showing. But now if you type the first letter, balance letters, browser says showing. What is this called? Automation, simplification. Again, at this scenario, we don't need to type. It is not necessary, and that is our wrong idea, wrong receiving. Typing compulsory. You are typing a browser typing a decide yourself. Point got it? W compulsory, HTTP compulsory. But simplification process, we are not typing. Browsers will manage the situations. So IP addresses related, clients related, servers related. If you have any doubts or clarities, please join the networking subject, sir. We are not network engineers. We are only web developers. Okay, na? It is just a kind information on them. So triple W, clear a point. Normally we are thinking World Wide Web, sir. 100% correct. What exactly it is representing, sir? And it's representing of the server. Who is the server, sir? The main service provider. Where is the location of this server, sir? Any idea? Is server where it is located? In our India, it's no chance, sir. So it's available in our New York, sir. The main server is available in our New York, United States of America. In black boxes where it is available? Black boxes where it is available? In our home, in our college, in our institute. But this is available in the New York. Three meanings, three definitions I explained, sir. Lastly, finishing point. Networking 1972, I said. I hope you remember So 1972, network introduced, and we already discussed it, sir, one point. But when the web is introduced, sir, we just discussed about the World Wide Web, W3C something something. So when the web is introduced, sir, web is started very first in 1990, sir. Web started in 1990. Networking is started in 1972. No, sir, we already searched in Google, sir. Some different dates are showing, sir. Adi their interest, sir. This is my interest, sir. Everybody, they have their own feelings, kada. This is my feeling. At the internet, when you search anything, the data is collected from the different websites, sir. Different websites developed by the different persons. Everybody, they are going to sharing their opinion. That opinion is displaying in the search result. That we are following blindly. One of all follow on. The right or wrong, we are not thinking. Just to follow. A very dangerous process. Reasons are, what you search in the Google, a question answer who is given? You have some doubt, a doubt typed in the Google search box. Answer who is given? Google company, or Google professionals, but who given? Google collecting the question related information from the other websites. If any found that other website displaying as easily in the result, that's all. So your question professionals, nobody is going to reacting. What are the words used in that search box? Are words matching to any of the website's metadata, that website blindly collecting and displaying on the directly on search result. If you feel that is the perfect information, right answers are, you putting the legs in sambar, chicken curry, biryani, like that only. How we can say that one, sir? I'm asking a small question here, right? Try to observe. HTML current version, latest version 5, sir. HTML latest version is 5. Now I'm asking here, HTML 9 version features. I have some answer. We have some results or not? HTML 9 version features. But what we have to say, sir? Bottom answer correct? Bottom lot of search results available, gada. So many websites, including the W3C something. Right? Those all answers, all websites. Right or wrong? Say wrong. Reason HTML 9 version not developed up to now. How the 9 version features you are going to displaying in the website? 6 are not available, sir. HTML 9 I asked, but Google responded, showing the responses also. What to do? Blindly follow that one? Blindly follow that one? No. That is what you are typing here, sir. This information gathered from the existing websites blindly and displaying as your search results. So in this process, 100 websites collected, sir. 100 websites inside the 100 different value information is available. Best example, if you are the Java student, search in Java release date, all websites showing the same data. If you search the Java software release date, all websites are showing the same data. No, sir. Some websites showing the 1990, some websites showing the 1991, some websites showing the 1995, some websites showing the 1996. Website to website, some information is changing, sir. Because that I have my own website, I'm expressing my feeling. You have your own website, you are expressing your feeling. So search, gather information. After that, cross check and follow it. They can blindly don't follow it. So web is started in 1990, sir. Networking is started in the 99. Network is invented by who? US Defense Department engineers. And web is invented by Tim Berners-Lee. The web is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Networking is developed by the US Defense Important. What is the meaning of web means, sir? The first www started. The first website is introduced in 1919. So 1990 before, web not available, www not available, websites also not available, but networking available, data sharing between the one system to another system by using the file protocols, FTP. When the 90s are entered, the Tim Berners-Lee designed the WW architecture, developed the websites and started the releasing. That websites we started from the 1990. So to different dates, to different persons are invented. This is about our today's explanation, sir. Balance things we'll see in the next session. Any questions? Any doubts? Course details I already shown in the starting of the session only, sir. Inka fee details related, etc. If you want to know it, so please contact the admin, Mr. Surendra. He is also full stack admin, also Java full stacks admin. The same person, our batch admin also, Surendra. So you can take the number of the Surendra, no problem. And you can drop the messages in WhatsApp and they are dropping the replies. Subject related questions, ask me. Other than subject related questions, contact your admin. Name Surendra. Contact number available, sir, but system restarted together. It is gone. You can take from here this admin. Thank you all, sir. Tomorrow we'll continue the rest of session. You can contact the admin. He is going to sharing. Admin directly sharing. Sorry. When after the Facebook.com, so the HTTP www.facebook.com in 6 years ago. So that time we have the Facebook.com by using search engine. So we can directly web pages as a Facebook. You also designed one website with www.facebook.com. By using search engine. So that Google.com. So we can speak Hindi. This is search engine, sir. Facebook.com. Google is a search engine, no? Yes. So we can directly connect to Facebook.com web pages. Yes, any website they can connect it. A search engine, they have the capability to collect the information from any website. They have the capability because the search engines they can connect it. Not only Facebook, everything. Admin adagandi sir. You said that internet is independent. It has no owner. So whom we are paying? W3C subordinates. GoDaddy.com, Postinger.com, Jelastic, Velastic, Google Cloud Services, Amazon Cloud Services, Microsoft Cloud Services. Service providers available. For those we are paying. These service providers are paying to the www. నిన్న మొన్న జరగలేదు కదా, నిన్నే కదా జరిగింది. అవి ఒక 3-4 days పడుతుందండి. గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లింక్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఇవ్వాలి కదా. గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లింక్ జూమ్ మీటింగ్ లింక్ చేంజ్ అయితేనే వస్తుంది మనకి. అది మీకు తెలుసు కదా, ఇవన్నీ డెమో క్లాసెస్, చెకింగ్ ఉంటుంది, వెరిఫికేషన్ ఉంటుంది. అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మన మీటింగ్ లింక్ కూడా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ లింక్ వస్తుంది. ఇప్పటి వరకు చెప్పినవన్నీ దాంట్లో నేను పెడతాను, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. డే 1 నుంచి వీడియోస్ మీకు అడ్మిన్ షేర్ చేస్తాడండి డైరెక్ట్ గా. ఆ, ఏది ఏ లింక్? యూట్యూబ్ లింక్స్ ఇచ్చేది. ఆ, యూట్యూబ్ లింక్స్ ఇంకా ఓపెన్ చేసేది ఏముంది? మీకు షేర్ చేసేది యూట్యూబ్ లింక్స్ షేర్ చేసేది. నేను ఇప్పుడు చెప్పేదంతా రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది, మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ సర్వర్ లో రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది. అది ఆ రికార్డ్ అయినవి యూట్యూబ్ లో ఉంటే ఆ లింక్ మీకు షేర్ చేస్తారు. అది సురేంద్ర సార్, ఇక్కడ బయట ఒక అడ్మిన్ ఉంటారు కదా, తను అడగండి ఇస్తారు. నాకు తన నెంబర్ నోటెడ్ కాదు, ఒక టాల్ బాయ్ అన్నాడు కదా, సో యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ దట్ పర్సన్, ప్లీజ్ గివ్. సురేంద్ర అడ్మిన్ నేము. ఓకే సార్, వెళ్ళొచ్చండి. వేరు వేరు సబ్జెక్టులు కదా, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం ఉండదు. ఒకటే టైప్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అయితే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ వస్తుంది. మూడు మూడు డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కాబట్టి వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ప్రాబ్లం. మీ ఇష్టం అండి, అది ఎప్పుడైనా పోవచ్చు, ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. జావాలో కాదండి, జావాకి సపోర్టింగ్. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ హూ జాయిన్ ద ఫుల్ స్టాక్, దోస్ ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ నియర్లీ 7 సబ్జెక్ట్స్. ఆ 7 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ లో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో 1 సబ్జెక్ట్. మీకు మొత్తం 7 సబ్జెక్ట్స్ వస్తాయి ఫుల్ స్టాక్ లో, దాంట్లో ఇది కూడా ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్. అది ఆ ల్యాబ్ లో ఉంటారండి, ల్యాబ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ ఉంటారు, మీరు వెళ్ళి ప్రాక్టీస్. ఇప్పుడేం అవసరం లేదు, థియరీయే కదా జరుగుతుంది. ఎఫ్టిపి అనేది ప్రోటోకాల్ సార్. ఈ కనెక్షన్స్ మీకు సిస్టమ్స్ కనెక్షన్స్ ఏది కావాలన్నా ప్రోటోకాల్ కంపల్సరీ. మనకి చాలా ప్రోటోకాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, దగ్గర దగ్గర 45+ ప్రోటోకాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అందులో ఎఫ్టిపి ఒకటి, హెచ్టిటిపి ఒకటి, టిసిపిఐపి ఒకటి, ఎస్ఎంటిపి ఒకటి, టెల్నెట్ ఒకటి, పాప్ ఒకటి, అలా 45 రకాల ప్రోటోకాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 45 రకాల యాక్టివిటీస్. ఒక్కొక్క ప్రోటోకాల్ ఒక్కొక్క టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. అది మీరు ఈ క్లౌడ్ అయినా సరే, నాన్ క్లౌడ్ అయినా సరే, సిస్టమ్స్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి, సిస్టమ్స్ మధ్య డేటా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ చేయాలి అంటే ప్రోటోకాల్ కంపల్సరీ. కంపల్సరీ. అది సిచ్యువేషన్, అదే కదా చెప్పింది. ఇప్పుడు 45 ప్రోటోకాల్స్, 45 రకాల ఆపరేషన్స్ అని చెప్పాను కదా. అక్కడ మీరు ఏ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తుంటే ఆపరేషన్ రిలేటెడ్ ప్రోటోకాల్ వర్క్ అవుతుంది.